In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Zoho Books. This process is fundamental in ensuring that all your financial data integrates seamlessly into the system, allowing for efficient management and tracking. So, let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a left sidebar that hosts all the modules available within the application. To begin importing data, identify and select the module that's relevant to the data you wish to import. This could be anything from sales, purchases, items, or contacts, depending on what you need. After selecting the appropriate module, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see a More icon, represented by 3 vertical dots. When you click on this icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select the Import option to initiate the process. Now, it's time to upload your data file. Click on the Choose File button to start. You need to make sure your data file is saved in one of the supported formats, which are CSV, TSV, or XLS, as these are optimal for seamless integration with Zoho Books. Also, when you upload, choose the correct character encoding. Usually, UTF-8 is a safe bet for most datasets you'll be working with. If you have a file with multiple sheets, remember to specify which sheet you want to import so the right data is transferred. The next step involves mapping the fields. What Zoho Books does at this stage is attempt to auto-map the columns from your file to its corresponding fields in the system. However, it's crucial to carefully review these auto-mapped fields. Sometimes manual adjustments are necessary to ensure every column lines up perfectly with the correct fields in Zoho Books. Also, consider saving this mapping for future imports. This nifty feature can save you a substantial amount of time and effort if you plan to import data regularly. Before committing to the import, Zoho Books provides a preview of your data. Take a moment to scrutinize this preview, ensuring that everything is in its rightful place and accurately represented. This step is key to avoiding any mishaps or errors down the line. Once you're confident that all the data is correct, go ahead and click the Import button to finalize the process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully import data into Zoho Books, making your financial management that much smoother. Remember, taking the time to double-check your data integrity during each step can save you from potential headaches, setting you up for success in managing your finances digitally. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If so, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.